welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review first impression on the Colourpop Pretty Face Hydrating Foundation. To tell you guys, I believe my last video that I ordered the foundation and a palette, but I was waiting for them to get here to make a review about a month ago. So yeah, it took almost, I'm sure it took a month for me to get these items, but I am overseas, so I'm sure that's why it took long. And then I told you guys that I've been wanting a red palette. This palette from one of their collections, the Strawberry Shake. Which this is how it looks. And I believe that this was $18, but I did use a coupon code, so, or $12, something like that. So yeah, that's the eyeshadow. This is the foundation, and this is a hydrating foundation with skin perfecting medium to buildable coverage for natural healthy looking skin. It's ideal for all skin types. It has hyaluronic acid, known to hydrate and support healthy looking skin. Coconut water, known to support hydration and skin softness. And the color that I grabbed was medium 80W. It looks a little bit dark, but on camera everything always looks either too light or too dark for me. So yeah, it is a pump, which I like. I do have oily skin, but I did prep my skin with the Poreless Putty Primer and my hyaluronic acid serum. See how this works out. Okay, so since I did get a palette, I am going to be doing just like a natural look, just because I do want to try that palette. I always prep my eyes with the Luscious Angel eyeshadow primer base. So first I'm gonna go in with paper straw just as a transition. Last week I tried doing a eyeshadow look, because I told you guys that when I tried the Makeup Revolution palette, I went back and grabbed the blue one, but I tried it and I was doing a video, but I just didn't like how it came out. It was like not coming out right. I have tried Colourpop eyeshadows, and I mean, they're good eyeshadows for the price, and they're always coming out with different collections. It's like every week they're always coming out with something new. Let me know if you guys have ever tried their eyeshadows and what's like your favorite collection, just because there's a lot to choose from. I just don't have a favorite one, even though I haven't tried a lot from their collections. I just feel like it's a lot. I'm gonna go in with, and I'm gonna put that in the crease. I've been doing a lot of like Christmas decor shopping, and I know it's kind of early, but all the stores here already have everything for Christmas, and I feel like if I don't get anything by now, I won't find anything by like end of October. Plus, let me know when you guys start decorating for Christmas. Like, do you guys wait after Halloween or after Thanksgiving, I should say. But for me, I'm not a big Halloween person, so I just skip Halloween and I go straight into Target. I go straight into Christmas. So I think this year I'm gonna start either the 1st of November or like a few days before Halloween. Okay, so it looks a little bit darker, and then now I'm gonna go in with my milk. And I'm gonna use the same, actually I'm gonna use this brush. Also, another thing I've been thinking, of once I hit 100 subscribers, I want to do a small giveaway, just like a small tiny giveaway, just because 100 for somebody may not be a lot, but for me really it's a lot. Even now, with like 80 plus subscribers that I have, I'm happy. I'm not sure what I want to do for the giveaway yet, so I'm not too sure what I want to do for that small giveaway. I was thinking like a gift card, since it's like so much easier, a gift card to, I don't know, somewhere, but yeah, maybe Ulta or Starbucks. Okay, so I don't know if I want to go in darker or just leave it like this. Actually, I'm gonna go in with Shake It Up. And with that, I'm gonna go in with a, what is this? A smaller brush. So what I'm gonna do a cut crease, just so it looks kind of clean. I already did the cut crease, and I think I'm gonna go in with the lip. Actually, I'm gonna put that in the inner corner, and then I'm gonna go in with Whipped. Okay, so I'm just gonna play with my finger just because the brush is not picking it up. I'm gonna go back in with take a step, and then just darken the outer corner and blend. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now I'm just going to go on with the foundation. I'm just gonna put it on my face. Now, it doesn't have a strong, weird smell. Okay, so on camera, I think it's my lighting that makes all the foundations that I try make them look super light. But off camera, it looks like it has a yellow undertone. which I like. So with that amount of foundation that I applied, to me it looks like it's a medium to full coverage. I do have some blemishes. If you like super full coverage, you can always do like 2 pumps or go over it again. But even now I feel like it's a full coverage for an everyday use. On camera it looks white, but it looks really nice. It even looks a little bit darker off camera. I feel like it's gonna start oxidizing in like a few hours. Now I don't know about you guys, but in the winter I prefer matte foundations, and then for the summer kind of like dewy, even though my skin it is super oily. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna be doing the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, just because I don't really use this concealer, but since I am using the Colourpop foundation, I feel like this concealer, it has a bit of a pink undertone. And it is like super drying. I feel like if you leave it on the skin for too long, it's hard to manage and move around. Like you have to work with it fast. If not, like it just stays there and it dries quick. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna set that just so it doesn't crease. But yeah. Okay, so that's on my face. I'm gonna go in with the palette again and then just do my bottom lash with my Milkshake. Just a little bit of the Delish shadow on my inner corner. So lately when I do my makeup, I don't wear highlighter, just because I don't know, I just want to go back to having a whole matte face and not any shimmer. So okay guys, so this is the final look. I applied my eyelashes and I just used a lip liner and a clear gloss just because I didn't want it to look super matte. But yeah, overall I was impressed by the palette. I thought I wasn't gonna like it, but I really like it. I am going to be using it again. For the foundation, I am going to be using this again. I did like it. I like how it gave me a matte look, even though it claims to give you a hydration. Even though it claims it is a hydration foundation, I do feel like it is matte. I did notice that, but I've noticed that with all my foundations lately, that my nose, it kind of like cracks. So like right here, So I'm not saying it's this foundation, but lately with all foundation, that's what's been happening to my nose. But yeah, if you have not tried this foundation, I do recommend it, especially for the fall and winter. Also, let me know if you guys have tried this foundation, if did you like it or not. And another thing is, I was gonna ask you guys what you guys want to see on like my next video. I was thinking of doing a Q&A, if only if I had enough questions. So I was thinking, if you guys had any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section, and I will do a video if I have enough questions. And yeah, also let me know what you guys think of that giveaway I was telling you guys. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on my next video.